If you want your music on Spotify and start building fans and income, this video is for you. Like and subscribe for more tips. First, open any web browser and go to Google. Search for Spotify for Artists and click on the official site, artist.spotify.com. Once the page loads, click Get Access in the top right corner. Sign in using your Spotify account and existing account, or create a new one just for your music. Now choose Artist or Manager. After that, Spotify will ask if you already have music on the platform. If your music is already live, click Continue. If not, select Music Not Yet Live on Spotify. To upload music, you'll need a distributor. Spotify works with distributors like DistroKid, TuneCore, and others, and they help small creators to grow. Choose one. I recommend DistroKid. Upload your track and wait for it to go live on Spotify. Once your music is live, come back to Spotify for Artists and claim your profile. Search for your artist name or paste your Spotify artist link, confirm the account, and that's it. You'll now have access to your artist profile, stats, and audience data. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.